Amazon became famous through its innovative approach to e-commerce and its relentless focus on customer satisfaction. Founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994 as an online bookstore, Amazon quickly diversified its offerings to include a wide range of products. Its commitment to convenience, competitive pricing, and fast delivery set it apart in the early days of e-commerce. Amazon's user-friendly interface, extensive product selection, and customer reviews helped build trust and loyalty among consumers. Over time, the company expanded into various industries, including electronics, clothing, groceries, and even cloud computing with Amazon Web Services, AWS. Through strategic acquisitions like Zappos and Whole Foods and investments in technology and infrastructure, Amazon continually improved its services and expanded its reach globally. Its Prime subscription service, offering benefits like free 2-day shipping and streaming video, further enhanced its value proposition. Today, Amazon is not just an e-commerce giant, but also a leader in cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and entertainment, making it one of the most influential and recognizable companies in the world.